Hello buddies, welcome back, it's Anne-Sophie, and today I'm going to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Motorola Moto G13. As you can see right now, we only have like our Wi-Fi, but we do not have service. And also if we go to our settings and then click on network and internet, we see that we don't have any mobile network available. So we will look for our SIM card slot now, and on this phone it's on the side here. So we'll get our SIM card ejector or a simple paper clip. That works just fine as well. And then put that in and press carefully. And then this pops up and we can take it out. So as you see, we have a space for 2 SIM cards and an SD card. And we're gonna take our SIM card and put that in the slot right here. There's no like sign if it's SIM slot 1 or the second one. So I'm just gonna put it in and then we'll put the whole thing back in the phone. Now we have to unlock our SIM card first of all, and then we're back in the phone. Now you see that we have service. We can make calls now, send SMS and all the other stuff. And if we go to our settings, click on network and internet, we see that we have our SIM card inserted. So that's how you insert a SIM card to your Motorola Moto G13. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and hope to see you next time. Bye.